So, I'm going to be talking about a critical topic, developmental trauma and its treatment. So, developmental trauma refers to adverse experiences that happen during childhood that then affect an individual's development, their physical, emotional, and psychological development as they grow. There's some disagreement on what the exact age range is in terms of what is meant by developmental trauma, but most mental health professionals would agree that it includes at least from birth till age 8. My personal view is that that age range is from in utero during pregnancy through adolescence and maybe beyond. So, developmental trauma results from chronic exposure to adverse experiences during childhood. Things like neglect or abuse, maybe dysfunctional family environments. The bottom line is it disrupts a child's sense of safety and security and their ability to have healthy relationships. So, common adult diagnoses frequently associated with developmental trauma, but not necessarily solely caused by it, are chronic anxiety, chronic depression, personality disorders, complex PTSD, and syndromal medical conditions like unexplained pain disorder or fibromyalgia, or even chronic migraine. So, some types of developmental trauma might be from physical abuse, emotional abuse, sexual abuse, neglect, witnessing domestic violence, or being around parental substance abuse, or separation from primary caregivers. Those are common forms of developmental trauma. Note that all of these have to do with early relationships. Because of this, developmental trauma is also frequently referred to as attachment trauma. That is trauma from having to do with these important early attachment relationships. So this type of trauma can lead to a wide variety of issues, impaired cognitive development, emotional dysregulation, attachment difficulties, mental health disorders, like I mentioned before, PTSD, depression, anxiety, things like that, and physical health problems. The impact often persists well into adulthood and can manifest in various life areas, affecting relationships, work, and overall well-being.